Hello everybody, welcome to a new video. This week I'm going to be doing a week in the life of interior design student at Northumbria University. Today's an exciting day because I woke up and it had been snowing overnight, so it was just beautiful. I've just made my breakfast. I've got these berry oats which I have almost every day. And then this morning I have a review session for my project I just finished. That was the first project we did, so just got to present my presentation boards and I'll tell you about that after. But that's at 9:30 and it's currently 8:57. I live super close to the uni, so I only need to start for 9:15 to get there in time. Hey! Hello, this is Heath.
Okay,
she was my partner for the first project and we just had our review session. It went pretty well, do you think?
Yeah, it's really good.
Yeah.
I think we're doing great.
We worked together well.
Yeah.
Do you want to show your boards?
So, we look pretty same.
Yeah, they're pretty similar. Softball front.
Yeah.
So basically the project was we had different football teams. We got Leeds United and we had to create a dressing room. Yeah. Include kitchen, tactics area, warm up, physio, boot kit room, manager's office, toilets, showers, jacuzzi, stuff like that. So this is what we came up with.
Yeah, we've most focused on the team colors. So it's blue, yellows, and white. Also for the kitchen, I don't think it's quite big. Actually, it's quite small for me. It's a little narrow.
I guess we could have just not done a wall here, so it was completely open.
Yeah.
And then if we wanted some seats, they could have gone along the wall too, just made it longer. Because we said our kitchen area is quite big when not much stuff would be happening in the kitchen. Yeah. Apart from we went to Newcastle United on a trip and Manchester City on a trip, and they just said they eat pizzas to celebrate after a game. So we thought we'd include the kitchen for that, but it doesn't need to be so big.
Here in the boot and kit store, we have a hole for player can throw their dirty clothes after a match. I lower my jacuzzi to below.
See, I didn't even think of that.
Inspired from Manchester City.
It's flat and then it goes down.
Yeah, it's flat and going down. But if we make it like that, so some player might didn't see what things over there, so might flip down the pool. So that's why I make it free 30% up and 70% down. Above.
Oh, so it's a little bit.
Yeah, a little bit up, so they can see what things inside. So is would not get risk.
Into themselves because they fell in the jacuzzi.
And also we have some stair go and then go down. So moving to our section.
So the sections basically you can see. There's an A here and an A here, and it's facing this way. So the section is what you'd see if you were stood here. That's what this is.
So I have some sketch about my section. So first is dressing room, also the seat, and finally is tactic. And I lower all the ceiling of every room, and also for the dressing rooms in here, I put on the decoration of is the same with the scarf, fan scarf.
Oh yeah, so when they're celebrating, you have all the football scarves.
So I put it here and with a coat of side before self every time. Who said that? Billy
Bremner.
Yeah, Billy Bremner. Put on top 5 football player from Google, and it gave me 5, so I put on 5 in here. Also, I create their best cringe, the player and the name.
The cheer said that he looks legend. Slept over.
I did. Yeah. Oh my god. I didn't sleep for 3 days. Oh my god. First time ever in my life. Oh my god. First night I have 5 hours to sleep, so it's great. Yeah. And the other night I just have 2 hours.
But next time we can be prepared and get everything done right before.
Oh my god, next time we will. I don't know, hopefully we can choose our pair next time. Yeah. So I want to keep this pair.
Keep us a good pair.
We are a good team, okay?
We are a good team.
Oh my god.
So I've just got back, quickly come back to my room, changed my shoes, changed my bag, and now I'm gonna go meet a friend in Eldon Square. Me and a friend ended up going to the Metro Centre. We went to Toby Carvery. It was actually my first time at Toby Carvery, and it was just so good, and because of 20% student discount, my main literally cost under £10, which was so good because it was so much food too. Then afterwards we spotted a B&M, so I picked up a few things from there, some like little stuff for Christmas, like Christmas presents, and then I also got this calendar, and I just noticed like 24 has literally fallen out, but this was literally £1 from B&M, and I thought the design was so cute. So now it's 6:05, so I'm gonna head off to Film Society. I can't actually remember what this week's film is, but I'll find out obviously and tell you how it is afterwards. The film was Doctor Strangelove. I'd never heard of it before, but at the start there was like an introduction by a history lecturer, which was cool. I don't know, it wasn't really like my kind of film, but I gave it 3 stars. So today is a Friday, and usually I'd have class from 9:30 till 4:30, but I've actually got the next week off uni because we had a deadline Monday and then I had the review session for it yesterday. So now I've got some time off, kind of free for the next week. I don't really know what I'm going to do myself, but right now I'm going to go to the gym, do some cardio. About a week ago I borrowed this book from the library. I just thought it looked interesting. I was having a look in the interior design section and I found this one. So I'm just going to like read this now because I'm not really got anything else to do. I was so shocked that this book has been in the library since 1999. Like that's literally before I was born. So right now I'm just getting ready to go out because my gymnastics are doing a scavenger hunt social today. So we've all been put into teams and we're going to get given like challenges to do, and whoever gets the most points like wins. Socials are usually on Wednesday, but it's been moved to Friday for this. My team was blue, so we have to wear the colour of the team. So I've got this blue top and I'm going to wear some blue jeans with it.
Any gymnastics move, we can do that.
So today's Monday, and as I said, I have no classes this week, so I don't really have much to do. I do want to go outside at some point today because I hate just staying inside all day. It's raining right now, so I want to wait till the rain stops. I think I want to go on a walk. Exhibition Park's really nice. In the meantime, I'm just going to read this book again. Me and my friends have decided we're going to go to the quiz in the Students' Union bar. I'm excited, we've only done it once before.
So we're at the quiz. We're gonna win.
Back from the quiz now, had lots of fun. We did only place 42nd, but it technically was an improvement from last time we went, which was 2 weeks ago. We did come like 30 something last time, but we got more points this week. We got 400 points this week, and last time we got like 380 something points. So it was an improvement, which I'm happy about. Today is Tuesday. I'm just gonna go and do upper body at the gym. So I'm just warming my arms up. Then at 3 till 4, the uni's doing the Christmas light switch on. So I'm going to go to that, see what that's like, which is exciting. And then later on this evening I've got gymnastics.
We're interviewing.
Are you gonna put
just
like actual voices? Or is it just like B-roll?
just wait.
B-roll.
Heck yeah.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
It's Christmas!
I've just gotten back from the Christmas light switch on, which was really fun. When I was on the way to go, actually, these random people on the bridge was giving out free samples of this Arla drink. At the Christmas light switch on, he was throwing out hoodies. I caught one. I actually caught 2. So I was with my flatmate and then my other flatmate was arriving. We both caught one and I was like, oh, shall I try and catch another one for my flatmate that's about to arrive? And I did, so I gave that to her. This is it, and this is the back. Cute. Now I'm just gonna make my dinner before gymnastics. So this is now the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.